Oh, choices, choices. Do I take the fatty? Or do I go with the bird? Bird.
Ducks. Sleeping ducks. Let sleeping ducks lie. So not very good at telling the truth. I'll have them go try to let themselves go a bit. Right, it kind of starts here. Of course, it did just occur to me as well, this is a bank holiday Monday, so there's probably going to be people all over it, but we'll give it a go anyway. Spy dogs, ease it up. Yeah, Emily, get out of the way. I'm afraid most of the fun is probably behind us, with two toddlers in the middle of it. So anyway, here we go, coming up on the Northampton marshlands. First I'm glad to do this with this pod. Oh, there we go. Hey! Can the bird AM9 Aris climb? Yes. Welcome to Northampton marshlands. This is part of our flood defences. Basically, this is meant to flood so Northampton doesn't. As well as being flood defences, it's also a nature reserve, so you've got birds and wildlife, and occasionally you'll see sheep grazing here as well, but there doesn't appear to be any today. It's the proliferation of sheep shit on the floor. I feel the rain. Oh well. Cloudy water. As it is, I'm well aware of the winter months oncoming, so yesterday I bought myself a nice new rain jacket. And in the interests of keeping up my penchant for buying oddly named cycling gear, it's made by a company called Hump. Yes, you heard correctly, Hump. And the name of the jacket, the model, as it were, is a signal. So yes, I'm getting a hump signal. Of course, the other side of it is that hopefully it'll keep me nice and dry as well, seeing as it's a waterproof. So would that make it a dry hump? I'm going to ride down the steps on the other side. Cheers. Thank you. This bike does inspire a certain sense of bravery that you don't get on other bikes. You just kind of less worried about crashing. Mr. Hodge, you designed a damned fine machine. Sorry. That's a first. I've never scared the shit out of someone with a free hug before. Child.
Ran out of battery on the GoPro. Left the spares on top of the microwave at home.